Good morning student. Today we are going to learn 4th standard English grammars 6th number chapter verbs. Okay, now first we will read here some examples. See, John kicked the ball hard. John, first example see, John kicked, K-I-C-K-E-D, kicked the ball hard. Here is kicked. Now listen. Second sentence see, mother has a purple sari. Mother has a purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple sari. S-A-R-I, sari. Now listen, has is underlined. Now listen, see then third number sentence. Anita is an intelligent girl. Anita is an, is underlined, an intelligent, I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-T, intelligent girl. Full stop. Now listen, first sentence here. John kicked the ball hard. Here is kicked underline. Mother has a purple sari. Has underline. Anita is an intelligent girl. Is underline. Now listen, in the first sentence tell us what John did. What John did? He kicked the ball. No, means here is the action. Okay, in this sentence, first sentence here is the action. Sorry, action. Now listen, see then second number sentence. Mother has a purple sari. Who has a purple sari? Mother has a purple sari. Tell us what mother possesses. What mother possesses, possession which, what mother possesses. Okay, in the second sentence what mother possesses, here is the possession, म्हणजे स्वतःच्या मालकीची वस्तू आहे कोणती, साडी. See here. Now listen, see then third number sentence. Tell us what Anita is. What Anita is. अनिताची परिस्थिती आता कशी आहे, तर ती कशी आहे, इंटेलिजंट गर्ल. अनिता इज एन इंटेलिजंट गर्ल. सध्याची आता तिची परिस्थिती कशी आहे, तर ती कशी आहे, इंटेलिजन्स गर्ल. ओके, मीन्स हियर इज द स्टेट. Means word that express actions, possessions or state of being are called verbs. Words that expresses action, possessions or to state, or state of being are called verbs. Words that express actions, possessions or state of being are called verbs. म्हणजे ज्या वर्ड्स मध्ये काय असतात पहा, ॲक्शन जे आहे ते एक्सप्रेस केली जाते, पोझिशन हे आहे एक्सप्रेस केलं जातं, किंवा स्टेट हे काय केलं जातं, सांगितलं जातं, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, verbs. Do you understand now what is mean by verbs? Okay, now listen, see then next kinds of verbs. Kinds of verbs. Do you understand now? Words that express actions, possessions or state of being are called verbs. Now listen, see here kinds of verbs. Kinds of verbs. Now listen, first I will write here some sentences. See, father statesman every morning. Statesman every morning. They laughed at the poor lame man. They laughed at the poor lame man. Poor lame man. Full stop. Now listen, here is the reads and laughed. Now listen, 3 number sentence. He is reading rather loudly. He is reading rather loudly. Here is reading, underline. 4th number sentence. He laughed to his heart's content. Laughed is underline. Now listen, what does father read? The statements. Okay. Father reads the statesman every morning. Okay, now listen, here is the question. What does father read? The statement. Okay, sentence first here. Okay, sentence first. What does father read? The statement. Now listen, see the second sentence. What did they laugh at? What did they laugh at? The poor lame man. ते कोणावरती हसत होते? द पुअर लेम मॅन वरती हसत होते पहा. आणि व्हॉट डज फादर रीड? फादर काय रीड करत होते? द स्टेटमेंट. ओके, फादर काय रीड करत होते? स्टेटमेंट इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स. नाउ लिसन, सी देन सेकंड सेंटेन्स. व्हॉट डिड दे लाफ ॲट? ते कोणावरती हसत होते? द पुअर लेम मॅन. मीन्स व्हॉट? व्हेन वी गेट आन्सर टू द क्वेश्चन व्हॉट और whom with the verbs, they are the object of the verbs. When we get answer to the question what or whom with the verb, they are the object of the verbs. आता पहा, ह्या क्वेश्चन मधूनच काय होतं? आपल्याला क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर मिळतं. त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो? वर्बचा ऑब्जेक्ट असं म्हणतो. ओके, म्हणजे ज्या क्वेश्चन मधून त्या क्वेश्चनचं काय मिळेल? आन्सर मिळेल. एखाद्या क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर मिळेल त्यालाच काय म्हणतो आपण? ऑब्जेक्ट. त्या वर्बचा ऑब्जेक्ट असं म्हणतो पहा. मीन्स सी हिअर, सी such verbs that require such verbs that requires objects to make complete sense, are called transitive verb. Transitive verbs. Such verbs that require object to the make complete sense are called transitive verb. Such verb that requires object to make complete sense are called ट्रान्झिस्टिव्ह वर्ब. म्हणजे ज्या क्वेश्चन मधून काय होतं, एखाद्या क्वेश्चनचं विचारलेलं आन्सर मिळतं त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब्स टू मेक कंप्लीट सेन्स. सच वर्ब दॅट रिक्वायर्स ऑब्जेक्ट टू मेक कंप्लीट सेन्स. म्हणजे ज्या सेंटेन्स मधून ओके ऑब्जेक्ट हा मिळतो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो ट्रान्झिस्टिव्ह वर्ब. Okay, now listen. See, if we make question of what or whom with the verb in sentence third and fourth, we do not get the answer. आता पहा. See here. Now first and second sentence we see here. If we make question of what or whom with the verb 3 and 4 number sentence, we do not get the answer. What is reading? What is he reading? In third number sentence, no, he is reading rather loudly. Okay, what is reading? No answer. Here is no answer. See second, what did he laugh at? What did he laugh at? No answer. No answer. Now listen, see then sentence, third number sentence, which he is reading rather loudly. He is reading rather loudly. What is he reading? We ask no question. What is he reading? Here is no answer. Now listen, fourth number sentence, see, he laughed to his heart content. He laughed to his heart content. What did he laugh at? No answer. Means such words that require no object and make complete sense by themselves are called intransitive verb. Intransitive verb means akarmak kriyapad and transitive verb means sakarmak kriyapad. Okay, see here. Now one sentence, see here. Three number sentence, see, he is reading rather loudly. Now we ask question, no, here, what is he reading? Question asks, what is he reading? Here is no answer. No answer. पहा answer मिळत नाही. Means such verbs that, see here, such verbs that require no objects and make complete sense by themselves are called intransitive verb. Intransitive verbs. See, such verbs that require no object and make complete sense by themselves are called intransitive verbs. म्हणजे ज्या क्वेश्चन मधून एखाद्या सेंटेन्स मधून क्वेश्चन जर विचारलं आणि तिथे जर आन्सर मिळत नसेल, त्याचा ऑब्जेक्ट जर मिळत नसेल वर्बचा, तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, इंट्रान्झिटिव्ह वर्ब. म्हणजे ज्या सेंटेन्स मधून एखादा क्वेश्चन विचारला तर आन्सर मिळत नाही, ऑब्जेक्ट मिळत नाही त्या वर्बचं, तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, इंट्रान्झिटिव्ह वर्ब. डू यू अंडरस्टँड नो? इंट्रान्झिटिव्ह वर्ब्स मीन्स व्हॉट? नाउ लिसन. आणि ज्या सेंटेन्स मधून एखादा क्वेश्चन विचारला आणि त्याचा जर आन्सर मिळत असेल त्याच क्वेश्चन मधून, तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, ट्रान्झिटिव्ह वर्ब. Now listen, read the sentences here. Transitive and intransitive. See first, he runs a small shop. Which shop? What shops he run? A small. What shops he runs? A small shops. See, he runs a small shop. Full stop. He runs fast. He runs fast. See then second number sentence. She laughs at poor beggars. She laughs at poor beggars. She laughs loudly. She laughs loudly. She laughs loudly. Now listen, see this first sentence. He runs a small shop. Okay. Transitive sentence. Now listen, here is the object of these verbs. He runs fast. Intransitive. Now listen, she laughs at poor beggars. Whom she laughs? At the poor beggars. Okay, means we get the object from these sentences. Means these sentences transitive. Okay, verbs. Transitive sentence. Second number sentence here, intransitive. She laughs loudly. She laughs loudly. Here is the intransitive verbs. Means see, third number sentence is they read the Bible every day. Okay, transitive sentence, they read the Bible every day. Intransitive sentence, they read in the morning. Transitive sentence, see, the sun gives us light. Intransitive sentence, see, he who gives also receives. Okay, now next sentence is transitive sentence. He speaks English fluently. Intransitive sentence, he speaks politely. Now listen, see then transitive sentence. I cannot write Hindi well. Intransitive, she writes neatly. ट्रान्झिस्टिव्ह सेंटेन्स सी, वी नीड न्यू ड्रेसेस फॉर द पार्टी, वी नीड नॉट go there. Means see, transitive sentence means what? Search for that require object to make complete sense are called transitive verbs. म्हणजे ज्या सेंटेन्स मधून आपल्याला काय मिळतो, ऑब्जेक्ट मिळतो, त्या सेंटेन्सचा वर्ब्स मिळतो, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, ट्रान्झिटिव्ह वर्ब्स. See, then intransitive verbs means search for that require no object and make complete sense by themselves are called intransitive verbs. म्हणजे ज्या सेंटेन्स मधून त्या सेंटेन्सचा काय मिळत नाही, ऑब्जेक्ट आपल्याला मिळत नाही का, ते सेंटेन्स कसं नसतं, कंप्लीट नसतं, त्याला परिपूर्णता नसते, असे सेंटेन्सला आपण काय म्हणतो, intransitive verbs. ओके स्टुडंट, यू अंडरस्टँड नो. म्हणजे ज्या सेंटेन्स मधून एखादा क्वेश्चन विचारला तर त्याचा आन्सर मिळतं, त्याला आपण ट्रान्झिटिव्ह सेंटेन्स म्हणतो. आणि ज्या सेंटेन्समध्ये एखादा क्वेश्चन विचारला तर त्या सेंटेन्समधून आन्सर मिळत नाही, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, इंट्रान्झिटिव्ह वर्ब. ओके स्टुडंट, यू अंडरस्टँड नो वर्ब्स. आय थिंक यू अंडरस्टँड इट. थँक यू.